Hi, we will continue modular fourth and last session. In this session, having a problems. So we have to solve these all problems related to cash flow diagram. Okay, next problem is a wood company is planning to buy a fully automated wood carrying a machine. If it is purchased under a down payment, the cost of 20 lakh. If it is purchased under an installment basis, the company has to pay 25% of the cost at the time of purchase and the remaining about amount in a 10 equal installments of rupees 2,15,000 each. Select the best alternatives for the company using the present worth basis at rate of interest is 18% computed annually. Okay, in these cases there are two alternatives. Okay, whether he have to pay down payment in total amount of 20 lakh, or else he have to pay down payment at the percent of 25%. Okay, in if it is he pay the down payment like 25% into that machine payment, that is equal to nothing but the 5 lakh and 10 annual equal installments of rupees 2,50,000. Okay, so in these cases present, see here 5 lakh is down payment. Okay, he have to give amount, that nothing but the outcome. So in these cases it is outcome, no? So outcome, so it is downwards. Okay, then 2,50,000 equal installment, so he have to be pay amount, so it is also comes in downwards. Okay, at the rate of at the interest rate of 18%, and 2,50,000 at 10 equal installment. So from 1 to 10 years he have to install some amount, that is 2,50,000. It is outcomes, that is nothing but the negative and also downward. That is, so he mentioned, he asked in question computed present worth. Okay, so present worth formula is, in notes you people have to check, PW formula is P plus annual installment into P by A, comma 18%, comma 10 years. So see corresponding formula and you will get the 4.49. Okay, so by using of these all you will get the present worth at rate of interest rate of 18%. Okay, second problem. Next problem, a company invests in one of the two mutual exclusive alternatives. That life of both alternatives is estimated to be 5 years with the following investments: annual returns and salvage. Okay, he mentioned salvage, annual returns and also investment. So P is initial cost, X is the annual equal returns. So initial cost is have to pay some amount, no, that is nothing but the negative. Okay, annual equal return is income, return is nothing but the income, so it is in upward, so that is positive. And salvage of the machine end is obviously it is positive. Okay, so see here, using the formula annual equivalent rate formula, apply this formula corresponding, and P is 2,50,000 and F is A is and F is, so corresponding these all formula. So first check it is A by P formula, what is that, and A by F formula, what is that. So by using of these all formula you will get the answers. Same type alternatives too. Okay, 13th problem also annual worth same it is also. And 14th one, 14th one, a concrete road project has an initial cost of 1.4 crores and annual operating and maintenance is 9 lakh. Further project will have a one-time major repair work, old bridges of a 25 lakhs at the end of 15 years. Find out the capitalized cost of the alternatives if the interest rate is 12% per year. So capitalized cost formula is so initial cost minus of what is that, repair work. Okay, so minus of major work, what we capitalized cost formula is initial cost minus of annual cost. So by using of this formula we will get the answer. Okay, so once you will get this one and this one, by using of this one you have to put formula and you will get this answer. Okay. So capital cost is obviously it is in rupees 2 crore 29 lakh 57,500 rupees. Capital cost is expensive. Okay, next 15th formula. 15th formula is the initial cost of an urban development project which is expected to serve resident of city perpetually is rupees 3 crores. The annual operating cost is rupees 10 lakh for the first 10 years and 12 lakhs the subsequent years. From year 11 onwards, the expected cost of a renovation at the end of every 15 years is 20 lakhs. Find out the capitalized cost per project of the interest rate of 18% per year. See here, 3 it is expensive, no? So it is downwards. And also 10 lakh is for up to what he mentioned, 3 crores resident initial cost expenses. The annual operating is 10 lakh up to 10th years. Okay, 10th year 1 to 10 years it is annual operating have to pay some amounts. After 10 years he have to expense or also put the money 12 lakhs. So 10 plus 2 12, so we have to put extra 2 lakhs. Okay, so from what he mentioned 10 years and 12 lakhs subsequent years. Okay, from year 11 onwards, so 11 onwards 2 lakh is expenses. Okay, the expected consideration end of year. So in the end of year expensive or operating again some more amounts, that is 20 lakh. Okay, from 11 to 14th it is 12 lakh expensive and 1 to 10th is 10 lakh, and at the end of the 15th year expensive some amount, that is nothing but the 20 lakh. Okay, so by using of formula, capitalized cost formula is initial amount, okay, operating cost, annual operating cost divided by rate, and also F, that is operating cost divided by rate, and into P by F I into 10. Okay, apply this formula corresponding. What is that formula? No, check it and apply this formula. You will get the answer. So this much only having regarding to first he mentioned up to 10 years, and also he find out up to second 12 lakh years, and also further this much only annual up to 10 years it is 10 lakh, and after 11 to 14 it is 12 lakh. So putting these all amount, he mentioned 10th and 14th years capitalized cost. Okay, next further problem is there are two alternative sewage project in a city. The details of cash flow diagram is like this: initial, annual, and also cost of renovation, one time upgrading cost at the end of year 25 years, and he mentioned already, he gave alternative 1 and alternative 2. So corresponding alternative 1 is he mentioned, so it is initial cost, and also he mentioned operating cost and also salvage amount. By using of these all formula, and this formula we will get the answer, that is nothing but the 0.0195 and also 0.116. By using of this one and this formula we will get the by using of this formula we will get the 0.116, and by using of this formula we will get this one. So after simplification we will get the capitalized cost. Same alternatives 2. Okay, and this much only having, and also solving session is there. So if you have any doubts, please concern me, and I will end it this session.